If your fridge doesn't close by itself, that means the fridge is not level and need to be adjusted. Alright, I'm gonna show you how to do that now. Alright, tools needed. You need a 3/8 socket and something to measure the adjustment level. We're gonna put this on top of the fridge and find out how far we are off. So we need to tilt the front a little. You can see it's adjusting. Hey you! Damon! Adjust natin yung racket. First step is to remove the front grill cover. Once you remove the grill, this is the screw that you want to adjust. Right, this one right here. Can you see that? That one right there. And there's also one on the other side. You have to open the door for you to see it. Konti pa. So adjust lang na adjust, raise lang na raise hanggat makuha yung tama. Okay, if you adjusted it correctly, then the fridge door should close by itself. And we're done. Thanks for watching.